Now we will optimize our profile by adding a profile picture, banner and all. How to create that one? We have to go to here me and select view profile. View profile. Once you have been gone to view profile, here you can change the profile aspects, like first is nothing but upload your image, profile image, upload photo, or you can directly use a front camera also. Open, then you can rotate or zoom, okay, like this you can do, and save. You can crop the photo, then save. Then it is a banner. If you like to add a banner, click on here, upload, select the banner what you have been created in Canva, which part of the banner you would like to show. You can select that one. If it is not a business person, you can create a banner like your photo itself, or any quotation you would like to keep it as a banner. You can keep a quotation also. Okay, banner is updated. Then we already updated contact info. If you like to modify the contact info, then click here. You can check. This is your profile and there is the email you have. If you like to modify them, pen here. You can add a website. Okay, if you have a website. Okay, you can say personal website or company website, what type of the website it is, and you can add a phone number also, as well as a address also. You can add a phone number. You can say that work, or you can say mobile. Okay, you can add an address for a communication. Then you can date of birth. If you like to give a date of birth, you can give the date of birth and save, so that the contact information has been updated. Close that one. Contact info has been updated. Then if you like to, you can see here your the strength of the profile keep going as you have been updating all the things. Then here add work dates. You, if you have been work somewhere, you can add them, like here itself from when you have been started. Like this we can use. Okay, and you can, if you like to add to profile, just say add to profile, so that your working will be added. That will give the better appearance. Okay, so that you can see now intermediate it has been improved. If we need to add a education to get it completed, you can start adding a education, like where did you did a school. Okay, or it should be there in a your here, otherwise it will not be taken. We'll give a college name. Add to profile. Okay, when you have been completed from when to when, you can give that one. Okay, you can skip some of the things. You can give the bachelor where you would have been done. All the information you can give it, so that it will improve the strength of the profile. And what are the skills you know? You can add those skills. Okay, like training, coaching. These are I'm saying that these are the my skills. Add to profile. Done, so that it will improve the your profile strength. Once you have been added a skills, then here you will be able to see that how many of them already visited your profile, how many active users are there, in the sense they have been checking your profile. Okay, how many times someone searching your for the profiles, how many times your profile has been displayed. Okay, you can get all the details here. Okay, so this profile optimization will help you to get better contacts. Okay, then we can say here add skills, like we already added a four skills. Another skill they need, we'll add. Okay, so that total five skills we have been added, so we will be get like this. And we can add a summary. Summary is nothing but like what exactly you are doing. Okay, like this we can add a summary. Okay, so the entire profile has been set now. Okay, the entire profile has been set. This is about your self. You have to return. You already written. And dashboards you have been you can check how many of them visiting and all. Your experience, skills. These are the major things what you are highlighting in a resume. These things has been already taken care of. Again, you can give the introduction about yourself. You already given a work experience, you can add it. If you have any other company you have been worked, okay, like this. You can for a new job, then you can give a introduction what kind of job you are looking for a new job. If you click, and you can give the what type of the job you are looking for, job title. Okay, you can add a titles like here, uh, saying that. Okay, like this we can give the what type of the job and where which location you are looking for. Would you like to join immediately or not? And full time or part time, what type of the job you are looking for. You can add that to a profile, so that someone has such openings, they will contact you. Okay, in your profile, by looking at your profile, they will understand that you are looking for a job. So that for the students, you have to give an intro for if you are looking for a job, those who are looking for a job. About, in the sense, you already given. Okay, here you can change it by anytime, you can change that one. Okay, and here you can change, here itself you can change. Then featured is nothing but a post, articles, links you would like to share. in your profile, then you can do it here. We'll show that one later. And background, you can give the work experience, education you already given. If you have any work experience, if you like to add some more work experience, you can give the previous employer name, company, and when you started, when you ended. Okay, the all the description what you have been done, it is like a, what you have been written in a resume, you can take it here also. Similarly here, the education also you can add. If you done any certification, like now you have been doing this certification also you can add it here. Okay, directly click on here, and we can from which organization you got, what is the certificate name, when it has been issued. Okay, then credential id you can give, and url also you can give. Okay, so like this, we can create a certification. And volunteer experience, for example, you are going to any volunteer, as a volunteer, those experience also you can add. Skills we already added. Okay, again you can add up the skills here. Okay, different skills you can add up to your profile. Then accomplishment like any book you have been published, or any patent you hold, any course you have been completed, or any projects you have been done, academic projects, or any projects you have been done, any awards you have been received so far. Okay, any test, in the sense any like IEEE, or any of the competitive examination you have been written, and what is the score of that. Then language preference, you can add up the languages here, and your proficiency, like it will help to recruiter to check what type of the uh, which are the languages you know, and how good you are in that. Okay, we can say save. Like this we can add up the languages. Okay, then additional informations you can give the like request a recommendation from others, any request you like. And supported languages, in the sense, not the, here you have given a main language, communication language. Here you can other languages which you know, you can select them. Okay, select them, and you can write it to your profile in that particular language. Okay, what exactly you are, and you can create a profile in a that particular language also. Okay, this is what we can here we will be working on a different. You can share a profile via message, or you can download this entire profile, and you can build as a resume by using the information given in a profile. If you say that build a resume, okay, new resume, you can give the title and apply. uh, it is not there. You can give as a title here, job title here itself, and apply, so that it will be applied as a resume. It has created as a resume, and it has been shared with the your contacts. Okay, that is the one thing you can do it in a your my profile. Okay, you can create a resume anytime, and you can share that one. You can download this one entire profile. Okay, you can share your profile with any other platform like WhatsApp or Messenger, to get a much more contacts to your profile. Okay, this is a way to create a profile, and we have been modified few of the things in a profile, how to add up the all the skills, languages, everything. Here also you can add up the languages, the other languages you know. Okay, and you can start adding here, and you can add up all the patents, everything here. Okay, this is how we can optimize our profile. Okay, and the optimization will help you to get a more and more traffic to your in the sense, not only traffic, in the sense more and more visit to your profile, so that your chance of getting a job will be improved by optimizing a profile. So someone if comes to your profile, they has to know that what exactly you are doing, what exactly you are doing, are you student or working or own a business. Okay, then about yourself will be give the brief introduction about yourself, what exactly you are looking for and what kind of person you are, and experience education will give talk something, and here skills will give you the better, like one more stepping stone for you are getting a job. If their skills are relevant to what they are looking for, then immediately they will contact you. Okay, the languages what you are speaking or you are professional with, if they are, it is matching with the recruiters search, then definitely they will contact you immediately. So this is a way to uh, optimize the entire LinkedIn profile to get a more and more profile visits.